Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a video on that, mainly how to use your Wi-Fi router as a repeater. Old router, and I bought this one new, so this router I will be using as a repeater. So by using this Wi-Fi router as a repeater, I will extend the range of my Wi-Fi network, and at the same time Wi-Fi will work more faster because my flat is a little bit bigger. So to cover the whole flat with fast internet, I'm going to use my second router as a repeater. So this is my original router and this is my second router, and today I will show how to configure it as a repeater to extend the range of my Wi-Fi and to make it more faster. Before going to the computer, if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comments, and if you have any kind of suggestion, please do so. So let's start. Okay guys, so this is my primary router, we share the knowledge, and it's connected now, and this is my secondary router which I will use as a Wi-Fi repeater. And now we will disconnect from our primary router and we'll connect with our secondary router, the Tanda. So we connect it. After you connect it, it will take you to the Tanda page automatically, and here you will see the name Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi name. So we'll write the Wi-Fi name WSBKBD. This is my Wi-Fi name I will write. You can write any Wi-Fi name you want, and there is Wi-Fi password, so I write password and then press OK. After you pressing OK, the password and Wi-Fi name will be saved and it will be disconnected, and we'll connect it again. Okay, so just connect. Connect. After you connect to this again, it will come to this page and it will show that the connection is disconnected, but we will make a setup. This is the startup, and now we will go to administration, where we will change the LAN IP. It is 1, we will make it just 2. Okay, and then we will save it again. Okay, it says the login IP will be changed, and we press save and saving. It says rebooting, please wait. So the secondary router will be rebooted again because we just changed the LAN IP. Why we change the LAN IP? Because to recognize the two router separately. If we put the same IP, it is difficult to find out. So this is disconnected again, and we'll connect it again because we just changed the LAN IP. So we connect it. After you connecting with this page, again it will come to this page, and now I will show you. Let's see, then the Wi-Fi. Yeah, now WSBKBD, my secondary router, is connected, but it says no internet. So we will go back to set the router again. Okay, after coming to this page, we'll go to administration and we see LAN IP change. We go to wireless repeating, and then we put universal repeating. This is upstream Wi-Fi name, connection status, and select Wi-Fi network. This where we will select our primary Wi-Fi network. This is we share the knowledge, and we select it, and then we go to Wi-Fi password. We will also put the primary Wi-Fi network password here. First one, we share the knowledge. This is the password for my that Wi-Fi, and then press OK. After you press OK, it will give you a warning that saying that after you doing this, okay, it will be rebooting, and after rebooting, rest of the setup will be complete. So we press OK, and it will show you the option. It's rebooting. Please wait. So let's wait until reboot the secondary router, because now secondary router will be connected with the primary router to work as a repeater. Okay, after doing that, it will be disconnected. Again, we will connect it. Okay, connect, and let's go to here, your wireless setting. After reviewing the wireless setting, your name and everything is okay. Let's go to wireless repeating, and it says now your upstream Wi-Fi name is we share knowledge, password is this, and connection status reached successfully. Okay, and then let's go to next set. Here the LAN IP changed here, and also in the status connection status showing this is successfully breached with universal repeater. Let's check the connection. Yeah, it is connected with WSBKBD, my secondary router. As you can see, it's connected with that. Let's now see the if we can browse or not. Yeah, I will open my browser. Let's go to YouTube. As now you can see, yeah, the YouTube page open. Let's play a video. Okay, yeah, select this. Yeah, as you can see, now the video is really playing, and it means the repeater is working. So that's how you can mainly use your router as a repeater. Yeah, so now I'll do one more thing. Disconnect with this my secondary router. I'll connect with my primary router. Yeah, as you can see, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected with my primary router as well. Let's go to YouTube again. Yeah, as you can see, YouTube page is opening, and let's play this video. Yeah, it's playing, so it means it works with my primary router and secondary router, and also if you can see, it can be connected with a wire connection as well, the cable connection. There is 3 connection can be worked out. Let's go to the speed. So we go to the speed test.net. Now let's see how the speed comes. Yeah, you can see the speed of my secondary router. It's yeah, it's really good. So now the range of my Wi-Fi is really high, and I can use the high speed internet too. Let's see until the end how much is the speed. Here, as you can see, this is my download speed, and now it's showing the upload speed. So this is the complete speed of my internet with the repeater, with the secondary router.